In this video,
we will learn the poem on yellow daffodil. In this poem, the poet is explaining about spring season through daffodil flowers. Okay, before explaining the poem of yellow daffodil, we will see what happens in spring and what do we see around in spring. Okay, spring season comes after winter and before summer. The sun is high in the sky during spring season. It means temperatures can rise in the day. In the spring, the sun gets brighter and brighter. Days become longer and weather gets warmer in the temperature. During spring, we can see greenish everywhere because fresh leaves will appear on the trees and the grass will becomes greener and greener every day. Okay, during spring, trees and flowers begin to grow. We can see beautiful flowers. We can see beautiful flowers blooming during spring. In this poem, the poet is explained the spring season through yellow daffodil flowers because daffodil blooms throughout the spring. All daffodil flowers does not bloom on the same day. Some daffodil blooms in mid-season. And we can also hear birds singing in spring season. Okay, and daffodil flowers has 6 petals. How many petals? 6 petals. Now we will read the poem of yellow daffodil. Yellow, yellow daffodil dancing in the sun. It means daffodil flowers bloom in the daytime. Okay, next line. Oh, yellow, yellow daffodil, you tell me spring has come. It means that when the poet sees daffodil flowers, the poet comes to know that spring has come because daffodil blooms throughout the spring. Next line. I can hear a bluebird sing and hear a robin call. Robin is a small bird. You can hear birds singing in springtime. Okay. But yellow, yellow daffodil, I love you most of all. It means the poet loves daffodil flowers most of all other flowers. Understood?